Okay, so for once, we might actually be getting some nice weather today. Truck looking fresh, Civic, not as fresh. How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we are jumping into the Civic. We have window deflectors. That was difficult. Guess what? They're done. I forgot to film an intro. Today we're putting these on. So I love these things, especially in a car with no AC. This loves to get foggy and steamy on the inside for no reason. So we put these bad boys on, so now I can roll it down. And here in Canada, when it snows and rains almost every 20 minutes, those come in handy pretty quick. So let's jump into it. Pretty much no tools required, just something to clean the seals and then them. These are like 20 bucks on Amazon, so yeah, you can tell by the way that that side is very different from this side. So quality control, non-existent. Okay, so this is absolutely not the right temperature to do this, but let's see if these things are gonna go on nicely. It's a good sign when both of these are packaged differently. Love it. So, deflectors, not sure how they go on. Not really any clear instructions, gives you tape. Yeah, let's try and figure this one out. Gimme. Yeah.
I'm just trying
to be gone. So I think you stick it in there. Jesus Christ. Yeah, something like that. I don't know. That was a wicked voice crack. Not sure what this is supposed to be sticking to. I don't know. Definitely doesn't go there, probably. That would be crazy. No, that's just straight silly. Struggle of a lifetime here. Yeah, like that. That's probably it. You can tell by the way it just popped right out. Yeah. This may or may not happen today. We're going to try it, but this could go very wrong very quickly. So, first, tug this. Oh god, I feel like it's going to explode. That's not bad. Is that bad? That's not bad. I wouldn't put any stress on that thing. It's a good thing it's a Civic and this thing struggles to do speed limits. Pow! Dramatic zoom. Oh my god. That's the slowest thing. Alright, other than the tassel, that's actually kind of cool. I can work with that. Yeah. Okay. Well, this is, oh, there we go. Oh, geez, dramatic zoom on your face. Whoop-pow! Spoon mirrors and window deflectors. This is one hot nugget. It was less than $100 of mods in a $400 Civic. This thing, oh my god, this thing needs parts and more low. The front end just looks... What do you mean, What? What is
It got a little stuck. I fixed it.
Oh, good enough. Right on. Beauty.
glass, the fish don't like it.
Oh my god. All right, well that's not bad. That's nice and quick. Just try not to trip over things. Those are on. Time for a test drive. See if they stay there, I guess. I don't mind it. I mean, I don't think they really add anything, but it's gonna be nice. I love these things. People hate them. I love them. Oh god. Slip inside our way up here. Guess your side would be easier to film. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, so those aren't too bad. I'm all right with that. Oh god. Oh god, it feels wrong. I have a fur in my mouth. Bam! Fisheye. That looks great. That one looks great. You look great.
Oh, dang. Oh.
Beauty. Bam! Window deflectors sitting on there nice and pretty. Those are definitely falling off someday. What is this? What is this? Was that there already?
Yeah.
Did I do that? The wrinkles?
Yeah, that was there. This one has it too. It's gonna get stuck again.
Oh, that's hitting?
Yeah.
This side doesn't have that, that's why. Okay,
I'm training it.
Okay, so I guess that's a really good thing to find out. These $20 deflectors, turns out quality, what's the word? Control, not the best of the quality controls. It's like a finger, barely. That one's a big walloper. Okay, well. Anyway, that's it for today. Window deflectors looking fantastic. Let me just throw you guys around. That's it for today. Window deflectors looking great. Now you guys have motion sickness. Let me just flopping the camera around. This side doesn't get stuck. Yeah, that's the importanter side. Thanks for watching.